Chapter 7 Decorative Plants. Decorative plants are grown for beautifying gardens and homes. They enhance a certain elegance and freshness of nature to our lifeless interiors. Here are some beautiful and fresh decorative plants to read about and bring home. 1. Money plant is the most common plant in Indian homes. It has green, heart-shaped leaves faded with streaks of white, yellow, and black streaks. This plant filters out the air and increases the level of oxygen inflow inside the house. Number 2. Petunia is a very common garden and indoor plant. Its origin is in South America. It has funnel-shaped colorful flowers and small sharp leaves. They are found in purple, mauve, pink, red, whiter and magnets colors. Cactus. Number 3. Cactus is commonly taken as a desert plant, has around 1750 known species, and some of these produce beautiful flowers. It can be watered once every 2 to 3 months. Teacher's note: introduce students to the different ornamental plants. Number 4. Lavender is a herb and is native to northern Africa and mountainous regions of the Mediterranean. It has a pleasing fragrance that spreads in the entire house. Its oil has special antiseptic properties. Number 5. Belonging to Sicily, southern Italy, the sweet pea is a flowering plant. It is a climber growing in height up to 1 to 2 meters. Its flowers are multicolored and have a pleasant scent. Let me answer. Which flower is used in body lotions and beauty products? Floral quiz. Number 1. Name the flower that Jawaharlal Nehru always used to wear on his coat. Answer: rose. Number 2. Name the national flower of Bangladesh. Answer: white water lily. Number 3. Name the national flower of Nepal. Answer: rhododendron. Number 4. Name the flower which is grown for its healthy edible oil. Answer: sunflower. Info bits. Petunia excerta belongs to southern Brazil, is one of the rarest flowers on earth. Only 14 plants were found growing in the wild during the year 2007.